If you're trying to figure out what the heck a holster wedge is and if you even need one, then I made this video just for you, and you should feel special. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. Before we get straight into what a holster wedge is and how it works, yes, I'm bald. If you've watched this channel for a while now, you know that I look very different. No, I don't have cancer, and I didn't pull a Britney Spears. I actually haven't recorded a video in several weeks, but I shaved my head completely back in December to play Oliver Warbucks in a community theater show of Annie. That's not a joke, it's actually true. I actually grew up doing theater, and I hadn't been in a show for 17 years, and my daughter has gotten really into theater lately, and she convinced me to do this one with her, and I said okay, and I ended up shaving my head. But my hair will grow back, and I'll look like a normal person again soon. Until then, just pretend I don't look like Walter White.
Say my name. Heisenberg.
So let's get into what the heck a holster wedge is and why you may or may not need one. A holster wedge is basically a small cushion that is wedge shaped and is designed to go between your holster and your body. Quick clarification here, holster wedges are made specifically for kydex holsters. And to be honest, if you're not carrying your gun in a kydex holster, you really need to be in order to carry a gun safely. Don't carry in a soft cloth holster. Just don't do it. Okay, so holster wedges are typically made out of foam or rubber or some combination of the two. They're usually pretty inexpensive, and some holster companies actually offer them as an add-on when you order your holster. So what the heck are they for? A holster wedge does two things. In the appendix carry position, a holster wedge gives you some extra cushion at the bottom of your holster, which is where most people find discomfort in appendix carry. Because the wedge is made out of a flexible foam material, it can really help your holster feel more comfortable against your body. The second thing that a wedge does is help with concealment. Because the wedge pushes the barrel end of the gun and holster away from your body, this forces the grip of your gun inward towards your body. In my experience, a holster wedge is one of the most underrated gadgets for appendix carry. Usually when I talk to people that say, well, I've tried appendix carry, but it just wasn't comfortable, or I just couldn't seem to conceal the gun well enough, my follow-up question is always, well, have you tried using a holster wedge? And the answer is almost always no, because it solves both of those issues pretty well. So do you actually need one? Well, before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to conceal, then check out my free guide to concealment. I designed this guide to be the perfect starting point for concealing a gun comfortably every single day. And it's totally free, so check it out in the description down below. So do you need a holster wedge? Well, if you're committed to strong side carry, then no, you don't really need a holster wedge. It's not gonna help you. But if you want to carry in the appendix carry position and you wanna be comfortable and conceal your gun even better, then a holster wedge is usually the answer. I'll link a few different holster wedges that I've used in the description, and if you wanna make your own holster wedge out of an $8 yoga block from Walmart, then check out this video. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more concealed carry tips. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.